Isn't this bag beautiful? It looks like it's Chanel, isn't it? But guess what? It's not. This quilted backpack was made by yours truly. Pop Sewing sent me a kit to make this backpack. You can grab yours too. Just check the link down below. Let's see what goodies are inside. We have the notions, finger covers, needles, scissors, a thank you message, and the instructions, and of course, the backpack materials. I love Pop Sewing's DIY kits. You can also buy their products fully created, but the gratification of saying, oh, I made this myself is so much better than buying a finished product. If you are new to crafting, do not be scared of this little bag. There is a little index on the back showing you what everything is and what its purpose is. So you don't have to go in blind. All right, enough stalling. Time to start crafting this backpack. Starting the instructional video, they say to separate all of your pieces and make sure all of your parts are there. If you are missing anything, email them immediately so they can send you a replacement part. This is what all of the pieces look like for this quilted backpack. I'm very excited to get started. Okay, so no more delaying, time to get going. Let's get out my notions and especially my needles and scissors because I need to cut some thread. And they definitely give plenty of needles, so don't be scared if you lose one. You don't need to be a crafting genius or need a sewing machine to complete these DIY kits. The way that you complete these are using the double needle sewing method. Your thread is going to have 2 needles on it, one at each end. You use the same piece of thread over and over, creating a locking X stitch formation through all of the holes. I'm already about 2 hours into this project. I've created a pocket, created this band. I've added the buckles here and here. It's looking so professional. I'm just working on the handle now, and I'm all doing it with needle and thread. No sewing machine required. After some time, I have finished the front piece of the backpack. It's got the pocket attached, and now the back has this little flap attached, the little hook piece for the closure, the handle, and the band at the bottom. So now it's just time to start assembling it. My home stretch is just adding this front cover piece to the back piece of the bag, and then the finishing touches, the icing on the cake, is just adding the straps at the top of the bag. And those have 2 screws for each strap. And it's just so simple. They give you a nice little screwdriver to add them. So really, once you're done sewing, you're practically finished. Ta-da! Oh my God! It looks so good. What's this? A little wallet? Do you want to see me make that too? Well, don't worry. That's coming up in a future video. But let's go try this on. I made this bag and it's super durable. The handle at the top is an easy grab and go. That way I can handle it or carry it as a nice handbag. I don't have to have it as the backpack function all the time, but I love it. The chains are super cute. It's adjustable. I love my backpack. This backpack is perfect for me and I love going out with it. Okay, hold up, Celestials. I am going to be hooking you up with a 20% off discount using Celeste, Orchid, Marissa Floral, all one word, and that will give you 20% off. Or just click the link in the description down below so you can grab a DIY kit to make something like this as shown in the video or in a future project like this, a nice little wallet. And so you can make something as cool as I did, and you can tell me about it too. And there's a huge community and Discord and everything. So what are you waiting for? Use my discount code. I hope you will. And that way you can save some money and treat yourself to something fun. A nice little DIY project that's useful at conventions and looks nice. Come on. You know Makima would definitely use this. So I want to go into a little bit more detail about this because I didn't show you the creation process. But you can see I did the stitching here around the buckle, the edging, and then I also attached the nice little metal here. I did the handle myself, and the inside I added this little pocket piece, Added this pocket piece here. It's really nice and big. Here's the edging. It's very durable and I absolutely love it. Now I didn't have to do the edging on the straps, but the straps are really nice and it has this extra detail. I didn't have to install the hardware either. It already came pre-assembled. I did this little piece here and the cording myself. So really it just took a little bit of time, but really it came out amazing. It wasn't a lot of assembly, but it was just the right amount if you're a new beginner or medium sewer. This is definitely hand sewn, and I'm very proud that I was able to do this myself. Make sure to check out Pop Sewing and get your own leather goods today. Oh, well, I got it a little dirty now, but it's very durable, very nice, great size, and it's real genuine leather quality. So you can see I decorated it a bit with my own extra strap, the pop keychain. It's very nice. Highly recommend. Many thanks to Pop Sewing for sending me this and letting me try it out. Now I have this beautiful one-of-a-kind bag that I made, and I hope you guys are all inspired. So remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!